back to another gaming channel. Today we're gonna play Airplane for you guys. So we're gonna have a dad and we're a kid, and we're going to go to the airplane. I'm so excited. We're going to go hum maybe, something like that. Who is this girl? No, I mean guy. And I don't know who's that guy, but we're gonna do something. Oh, shh. So where our dad is, though. I saw it like, where's the name is Chip plays Roblox. His video that he played it, but he had like a dad and so much more teammates though. But we don't. Wait, why is there only two of us? Oh, here's our dad. Wait, guys, there's only two of us. Wait. Alright, guys, we joined back another lobby because there's only two of us. So we're going to our dad and den. Alright, 7 people in here. Let's go! Get more people. Oh, 12 people in here. Let's go! We got peoples. It's only 10. Let's go. 11. Let's go. 11. Alrighty. Going to visit our dad, and then we're gonna go on a trip. Okay, I invited some people. Oh my god, I got 3 friends. Look, there's so many people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and me is 10. La la la. Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Don't. Today is the big day. What is it, Dad? Let me remind you where are flying. Get up. Why am I in the pink room? Ah! Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. Wakey, wakey, troll people, friends. Ah! Oh, yeah, I cannot jump from the ceiling. That would be cool if I did. No. Hello, Dad. All right, this is my place where I can put my stuff. That's it. Okay. What do you need? What do I need? Do you need this? That? What do I need? Wait, they already got their stuff? No, wait, no. 45 seconds to get it. Okay, what do I need? What do I need? What do I need? Is it here? Shoes? Guys, this is unacceptable. They're not telling me what do I need. Unacceptable. This room. This. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Oh, now, okay, now we can get it. I think it's in this room. No, it's not in there. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, now we can start. It's in here, right? Yes. Got my things. Don't go to sleep, okay? We need to hurry up. Ready. Next what? Now we need to wait it? Oh yeah, we need to wait for the next one. We need to hurry up. Dad is almost coming. Alright, I need those shoes now. Why do I need 2 shoes? I need like some pants or clothes. Got those shoes. Why do I sleep in the girls' room? Okay, did we get it? Yeah! I got red and white. You got red and pink. You got pink and white. You got red and yellow. Pink, blue and yellow. You got red and white, blue, white, pink, yellow and pink. There's so many red and pink colors. Oh, pants. Finally, I got some pants. I think it's on this one. This? Oh, yeah. Got it. No, that's not it. Go. I don't want to miss this flight. Boom. I just jumped. Right? I got 3 stuff. Some people got 2. Some people got 1. Some people got 3. 2 people got 3. 2 people got 3 of stuff. 1 people got 2 and 1 people got 1. I'm in the fridge right now. Is that all? Do you need burgers are almost ready. Oh my god, there's a roast burger. Open. There's oh, we got a pool! Whoa! Look at this, we got a pool. We got a pool, you guys. All right. Here's the worst one. I'm gonna sit on this. Oh, I gotta sit. Guys, come! Dad's getting our burgers. Oh, we got a burger! Who wants a burger? Me! Oh, I need to sit. I do. I'm so hungry. Sit on the table. Gimme! What for? Yeah, I cannot even read. Curve for Sil. What for Jessa? Okay. Where's mine, bro? Where's mine, Daddy? Oh, we got not the girls one. Oh, Mando got the girls one. What is this name? The Scrubber Double. I'm done. I'm good. Thanks, Dad. This is going to be the best thing. Hello. Dad? He's like, Dad? What? He's... Oh, it's the radio. brave hero. So, oh, okay. Wow. Imagine saving a plane. The dad is. Went all the way under. Oh, there's a vent. What is this vent for? Open. Be the police ward. Wait, what? I thought the police was good. It's saying the police are bad. And some bad guys escape from the police? What? Okay, run, we're late for the flight. Get in. Unless, follow me. Oh, Dad. Where's the dad? Oh, he's from here. Alright, Dad, we're here. I have a bad feeling about this. I said that. Open. Can I open by myself? Oh, Dad. Where is Dad? Oh, he's right there. What's up, Dad? Hey, how you doing? Let's go. Great. Press screen button too hard to press. Dad is. Wait for it. The guy's health is going down because he ate the gross looking burger. Your very small plane. Oh, I want to go in one. No, this is mine. Can I drive it though? It's also a lot more fun than walking. Oh shoot. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open the garage. I will see you guys in the other side. Oh, wait. Why we don't? Well, we will have to find out. Just be careful with. Up. Oh, I'm driving! Whoa! Oh shoot! The airplane got crashed almost. Can I get the airplane that crashed? Be careful! Guys! Oh shoot! People are getting crashed. Ah! Oh, the tunnel! Oh, I'm dead almost. I'm almost dead. Okay, I'm dead. Continue. Oh! I need to join another lobby. Alright guys, I promise this is the last. Why? Roehampton. We're going to Roehampton. Wow. Wakey, wakey, losers. Did I low? Oh my, no. Oh, read it. I'm going here. Open this! This is whoever does not have the package. Oh no, I don't wanna. Come here, Dad. I'm gonna go with you. I'm going with him. What? No! He's right there cooking up some Bully J Bellrang burgers. I'm gonna sit here. Television. Who's this? Is this our... Wait, guys. This is our mom. Is this our mom? Yeah, it is. Turn on the TV. But where is our mom? I was like, no, that's her dad picture. I was like, that's mom. They say Mary. Okay. Explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. I already know because I just played it. Who's like, where? Okay, guys. Time to start packing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I need shoes. Move on, ladies and Jennas. Oh, shoot. What is this? There's a rocket. We don't need to worry about that. Wait up. Yeah, I'm sick still, guys. I'm still sick. Where's my bag? I'm gonna like it. Where's my bag at? Oh shoot, I'm gonna miss. Got it. Oh, just in time. It's in here, right? No! Yes. Now I'm gonna wait here. It's in here, right? Yes! I cheated! I just want to get it in. Everything in just in time, okay? Boom! I got my 3 stuff. Who paused the song? Oh, it's a song. Look, the carpet. It's the carpet. Airplane 4 on last flight. Burgers are almost ready. Oh, there's the gross one. Hope I don't get the gross one. I'm gonna go. Let's go to the backyard. Ha ha ha. one boy in this table. Where're the boys? Oh, they left. Oh no, there's one boy. Oh, here he is. Yeah, I'm gonna sit with my boy. I'm gonna sit with my Billa boy. Oh, he went there. Can I have the first? Oh no! It's her all the way there. She's all the way there. Oh shoot, I got the girl one. Ah, why? Why? I got the girls one. No, I hate you, Dad. I'm going to the pool, man. Look at me. Chilling at the pool. Ah, look at this. Oh, wait, what? Went inside this. Inside, get inside. OMG! Yo, look at this! We're inside the vent! Bam! Let's go inside the vent again. However, get it? Get it! Get inside the vent! Oh, let's go! Look at these. Inside the vent with my boy. Oh, look at these fish over here. They're so fun. Go in. Oh, that was fun. Relaxer. Oh, we're running there. Need to follow our daddy. Go. Where's Dad? That's me! I said that. I say that. Where's our boy? Don't tell me why he left. He left. Great. Oh my gosh, he left. The garage? I said the garage. Wait for it. That's a wait for it. Now it's only the girls and me. I pressed you. 4, no, 5 of these airplanes because we lost the one guy for us. We get to fly. I said we get to fly the airplane. It's now we can lose more time. Okay, hope I don't lose this time. Oh, my Elvis energy is gone too. I'm so excited to fly but not die. Grab a seat. Okay, we're gonna fly. Do-do-lo. I will see you guys in the other side. What? We will have to find out. Just be careful. Oh! Get in! Go fly all the way up. How about that? Can't. Oh. Oh shoot. No! One more time. Hurry for the shit. I'm gonna skip the title for you guys. Alright, you guys, so we just finished packing. Now we're gonna eat burgers. There's only 2 of us. Who wants burger? Nice. I do. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have the first. I'm gonna get first. I'm gonna get first one. Let's go. I got it first. Can I climb on that? That's sad. Hey, can I dance on here? E slash E. Hey! Oh my. Oh, go. Wait, what? Where's she? What? It's me alone. Peace.